Hi everyone. So we're here with a video of Chery and how we identify the secret menu of Chery, how we go into that. And so yesterday I was driving around and I saw this caution sign come up. So and with the caution sign, when I looked around in the screen, so there was this spanner as well at the bottom. So I started to look for the fault menu because I was used to the previous car MG, but I couldn't find that. So when I clicked the buttons on over here to change the menu, so we have only the tire pressure monitoring system, and then we have the adaptive cruise control screen. So we do not have any fault menu screen over here. And then when I press the OK button, being downwards, so it says, for your driving safety, please park to set. So then I just got worried what this sign would mean. Then when I stopped the car, so I put the car in parking, and then I tried it out. So I thought, let's try it now. So I pressed this, so I got this menu. So I had seen this before, but haven't gone into details with this. So with this menu, then I found out that there's a theme, there's a language setting, and then there's a fault setting. So here we can go into the fault and find out that it's a maintenance fault. Maintenance fault meaning that it means that it's ready for maintenance. Then I realized that my car has done 10,000 kilometers now, so maybe it's due to that it's giving this error. Yeah, so and this was the caution sign. So, and here why it's showing that caution sign is because when I go into the driving tab, press OK to go inside, there's the maintenance mileage as well. So that is at 0 right now. Then there's the driving trip, there's the actual fuel economy, average fuel economy, and then there's the fatigue, and there's the escape function, fuel consumption unit, maintenance mileage again. So we can reset this right now, but I would do that after the oil change. So this is how you can basically go into the menu and check why the default or why the fault light is on right now, and the details from there. So that's all from now. Thank you for watching the video. Please do subscribe to the channel, and we would be coming up with more videos regarding the Chery Tiggo and MG. Thank you. Bye bye.